Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me already, my name is Varsha Davangiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. The today's video is about this makeup look here. So it is a no makeup look, no foundation makeup look, affordable makeup look, so all in one. So I'm really excited about this video because it turned out really pretty and yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I am done with my skincare now. I'm not gonna tell anything about my skincare here because I am doing a separate video of my skincare routine. So yeah, I was going to say something, I just forgot. You need to apply a lot of moisturizer on your skin. If you don't have oil, if you have dry skin, apply loads of it. If you have oily skin, okay, my voice sounds different because I've got cold and I was not well. I'm not well now as well, but I wanted to shoot this video. I was sick of sleeping all day, so I am shooting the video. Okay, yeah. So apply loads and loads of moisturizer. I usually prefer this moisturizer because this is working out for me. This is like really good and I'm using this a lot lately. So yeah. So for this, what you call no makeup, no foundation makeup look, whatever you call it, it is a very subtle makeup look. Every college going girl, every woman who works in office, everyone can do this. This is like I do this makeup every day. It will take only 5 minutes of your time, so it is really easy. And even my skincare routine that I was talking about is really easy. It is nothing too much and it is pretty effective. So I'm gonna talk about it very soon, I guess. So now after I applied moisturizer, I'm gonna apply concealer to my dark circles. Usually I avoid applying concealer on an everyday basis because I do not have a lot of dark circles, and that is the reason I don't apply concealer on everyday basis. So if you have a lot of dark circles, you can hide using concealer. Now I am using concealer just to show you guys, but yeah. I'm done with my concealer now. Can you see all the spots here I have on my skin? I really like the way it looks. I actually do not like to hide them. Even when I do a heavy makeup, I try not to cover them because I like them. I like the texture it gives me. I like the textured skin. So yeah, that is the reason. And now I'm gonna use Sugar's what do you call compact powder. I'm in the shade 55 Americano. Also, yeah, the point I wanted to talk about was you need to shave your face when you are applying any sort of makeup. It will give a good canvas for your makeup to sit on. And I have not shaved my face right now because I am sick, I told you guys. So yeah, the base is done. Like literally guys, this was the base. Okay, it will take you hardly 2 minutes to get till here. Hardly 2 minutes. If you are using concealer, then it is 2 minutes, or else 1 minute mein hi ho jayega. So it is a very low makeup look. I really love how my skin looks right now. So yeah, that is that. Next, we're gonna do our eyebrows. On daily basis, I do not do my brows because I feel my brows are pretty perfect. Not that I'm boasting or something, but it is just the way I feel because I have really thick eyebrows. And when I get my eyebrows done, you know, the threading, I just don't feel like doing my brows. Even now, I'm just applying the wax to, you know, give them a nice stiff shape. I just don't want to apply the brow gel now. I'm not gonna apply these brow powders. I'm just gonna apply this wax. So yeah, that is that. I guess it is all. That is it. Like you can see our face is already perfect. Now it's time for blush. This method is pretty new to me because usually, or before I used to just apply blush from blush palette, but now what I feel is when you apply lipstick as your blush, what happens is your blush syncs with your lipstick and it will give a more natural feeling. So yeah, that is the reason why I apply lipstick as my blush, and I am going to apply it exactly here. Okay, I'm not gonna apply this here. I'm just gonna apply it here because if you apply it here, it doesn't look real. Okay, I look like a clown right now, but it's okay. Once the results are done, I will definitely look nice. I'm just gonna use my hands. I'm even using this here at the near my nose because that way it will get really nice feeling, and then whatever it is left, you can drag it here. Just don't apply the blush here first, and whatever that is left on your hand, just apply it to your eyes. That way it will look really nice. Your makeup will look really subtle and nice. So this is optional. Most of the people don't like to apply blush on their nose, but I really do love to apply blush on my nose. I just don't know, it feels pretty good for me, so I always apply blush to my nose. If you guys don't like it, you can skip it. So yeah, it is done. I just feel it's not showing up on camera, but actually it is really nice. Let's try. Let me just see. Yeah, can you just see? It's still not showing up properly on the camera, but it is really showing up here, and it feels really nice. So now it's time for mascara. I'm using this mascara from Maybelline, the Hyper Curl Easy Wash Mascara. So before mascara, I'm gonna curl my lashes. I love how my eyes look right now. It is all because of this eyelash curler. I use this on a daily basis. Actually, I use this all the time. It is a lifesaver for me, so I completely suggest you guys to go and get this. So now I'm going to apply the mascara. One stroke is enough because I really have long lashes, so it may show up and it may look too much, so I don't want that. That is the reason I'm gonna do a little bit. Can you guys see the difference between both my eyes? Yeah, this is the magic of mascara. Mascara is always a lifesaver, you guys, I tell you. So can you guys see the difference? It is so noticeable. I really love how it looks right now, and this lipstick is going to complete my look. Okay, I forgot to mention the shade of this lipstick. It is Like a Boss from Nykaa. It's Nykaa ka hai ye. Can you guys see? My look is complete now, and don't worry about my lips. They look like that because I've got pigmented lips and they are really dark. It is pretty difficult for me to cover them up, so I don't really bother about it. I like the way they look, so yeah. Can you guys see how presentable I look right now? It will take you 5 minutes, okay? Less than 5 minutes. It took me hardly 20 minutes to film this video, like the complete video, including the introduction. So it's getting pretty difficult for me to talk now, so I'm gonna have to take your leave, but just know that you will look presentable and you can apply whatever you want. It is a no makeup look. You can play with your makeup and create your own looks. I like to do that all the time. I haven't applied eyeliner or kajal because this is a no makeup look, and I want to be as raw. I want my face to be as raw as possible. So yeah, that is that, and it explains the look right now. It is really presentable. Can you guys make it? I mean, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.